Okay, we're going to look at some practical problems to finish up inequalities in two variables. So you have a summer job at a youth, so you have two summer jobs at a youth center. You earn $25 per hour teaching basketball and $40 per hour teaching swimming. Your goal is to earn at least $100 per week. Oh, and this is given to you. X is the time you teach basketball. So 25 hours per week. That's going to be $25 per hour is going to be your coefficient for your X value. And Y is the time you teach swimming. So this is given to you as Y. That's going to be the coefficient on your Y value. Now, this number here needs to be bigger than or equal to $100 every week if you want to make at least $100 a week. So we have an inequality. We're then going to use Desmos to graph the inequality. So again, 25x plus 40y, that number needs to be bigger than 100 every week. And here I have it, 25x plus 40y. I'm going to go ahead and click that on. And I can see here this graph crosses at 2.5 and it crosses the x-axis of 4. So I'm going to copy that picture over to my paper. So 2.5 is about right here, and then it crosses at 4. It was a solid line, and the area that was shaded was above it. So up here. Whoops, I want that to be bigger for sure. Up here. Okay, this is our solution area. And what that means is that any point within this solution area is a potential solution to our inequality. Okay, so let's look at a couple points here and see if they are solutions to our inequality. Let's maybe make them different colors. Here's one, and here's one. Okay. So this asks us to give two possible solutions to the inequality. And let's see what I've done over here on Desmos. Let's see which two I've chosen. I have 3, 3 here, and that is within the shaded area, so it is a solution, meaning I can teach 3 hours of basketball and 3 hours of swimming and make $100 in a week. And here's another one, 4, 1. This is in the shaded area. And let's see if they work algebraically. Let's just try it. So here's 3, 3. That was one of the solutions that we were going to try. 3, 3. And I believe the other one we were going to try was, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4 over and 1 up, and that is in the solution area. That wasn't a great color to choose. And we're going to see if these work algebraically. Okay, we want to make $100 a week. So the original inequality was 25 times x plus $40 per hour teaching swimming has to be greater than or equal to 100. And let me take this and do something we can see. Okay, so if I teach 3 hours of basketball and I teach 3 hours of swimming, will I make $100? 75 plus 120, is it greater than or equal to 100? And it is 195. Okay, so this is a solution to that inequality. Again, what if I teach 4 hours of basketball and 1 hour of swimming? 25 times 4 hours of basketball plus 40 times 1 hour of teaching swimming has to be greater than or equal to 100. 100 plus 40 is greater than or equal to 100, and 140 is greater than or equal to 100. Let's see something that's not a solution and see what that does. So I've added 1, 1 here. And is this a solution to our inequality? Can I teach 1 hour of swimming and 1 hour of basketball and make $100 that week? Well, I can't. And we have proven that graphically. We can also prove it algebraically by saying 25 times 1 plus 40 times 1 is greater than or equal to 100. And 25 plus 40 Is 65 greater than 100? Well, it isn't. So I cannot teach just 1 hour of swimming and 1 hour of basketball and make $100 in a week. Okay, hopefully this helps. Thanks.